My name is Neha Ahuja and I am a teacher of American kids. Hope you all are safe at home. You might be missing your teachers and the school, but don't worry, we will meet soon. In the meanwhile, I have a wonderful story in front of you. This is a story of a beautiful bird. So, as you know, spring season is going on, so this is a springtime story. So, during the springtime, mother bird and father bird decided to build a nest. So, to build a nest, we need a paper and we need scissors. So, are you ready to make nest with me for the mother bird and the father bird? Okay. So, we will build nest for the mother bird and the father bird. Okay, the nest is ready in a second. So the nest is ready. Okay, so the mother bird decided to sit on the nest. And when she sits on the nest, she lays an egg. And she kept that egg down in the nest. And when the wind blows, she sits on the nest. When the storm comes, she sits on the nest. And during the thundering also, she sits on the nest to protect the egg and keep it warm. So she decided to make friends with little bugs. So she became friends with little bugs. One little bugs and another little bugs. She talked to them when she feels lonely. As the mother bird was sitting on the nest for a long time, she heard a sound of crack. And then she heard a big crack sound in the egg. Crack, 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 crack. Do you know what came out from the egg? The little bird came out from the egg. So you can do these type of activity at home.